Welcome to Designer Digital's bi-weekly tip, August 17th, 2018. This week, how to outline and customize word art in Photoshop and Elements. Using pre-made word art is a quick way to clue your reader into the main idea of your digital project. I'm a huge fan of the trendy hand-scripted look that seems to be everywhere in the design world these days. Handwritten titles give your digital project a fun, up-to-date look, and they're really easy to customize. You can recolor them with one or more colors, clip them to digital paper, or turn them into a digital sticker, for example. Here's another way to customize word art by outlining it first and then combining techniques to make it your own. Here's how. Open your digital project in a word art image of your choice in Photoshop or Elements. Use the Move tool to drag the word onto your scrapbook document, or make a selection using the lasso tool around the portion of the word art that you want to use on your page. For this page, I just want to use the word sweet, so I'm going to draw a selection around the word, and then when I come back to the beginning, I get marching ants. Switch to the Move tool and drag the selection over onto your scrapbook page. Reposition it and resize if necessary to make sure that it fits on your page. To resize, press Ctrl-T on the keyboard or on a Mac system Command-T, and then use a corner handle to resize the word art. Tick the check mark to confirm the size change. Control-click or on a Mac system Command-click the thumbnail of the word art over in the Layers panel. So way down here in the Layers panel, I've got the word sweet, and I'm going to Control-click on it. You'll see marching ants surround your word art. Choose Select, Modify, Expand from the menu bar. And then type in a number here in the Expand By box. I generally find that a number between 8 to 15 works well on a 12 by 12 inch scrapbook document. But the higher the number, the greater the expansion will be. I'm going to expand by 10 pixels and click OK. Next, Control-click or on a Mac system Command-click the Create a New Layer icon in the Layers panel. It looks like a little post-it note with a turned up edge. If you Control-click or on a Mac system Command-click, it puts a new layer below your title layer. With the new transparent layer selected, choose Edit, Stroke from the menu bar. Choose a stroke width. The higher the number, the thicker the outline will be. And then choose a color by clicking on the color box and then choosing a new color or dragging out and picking up a color from your scrapbook document. Click OK and then choose a location. Really, any of those locations will work, inside, center, or outside for this technique. But I'll keep it on inside, which is the default. Set the mode to normal and opacity to 100%, and make sure preserve transparency is not ticked here. And then click OK. Press Ctrl-D to deselect or remove the marching ants. On a Mac system, that'll be Command-D. At this point, your word art is outlined with the outline residing on its own separate layer. And that means that you can customize the word portion without affecting the outline. And then you can do different things to the word and to the outline. And now the fun begins. Use your own creativity to customize the word art. Here are some ideas to get you started. Recolor the word art with one or more colors, and then use the same technique to recolor the outline if desired. Offset the outline by targeting the outline layer, and then use the arrow keys on your keyboard to move the outline to the right and downward. Clip the word layer to pattern paper to give the title a hand-cut paper look. Use a drop shadow on the word layer to lift the title slightly, mimicking real paper. Transform the word art into a digital sticker in Photoshop or Elements. Consider offsetting the outline after completing the sticker. Thanks so much for watching this week's video, and be sure to check back in 2 weeks for another Designer Digitals tip.